Hard to admit it, but I got a weakness. I feel this pervasive chemistry. Wanna think of you, I crave it all the time. It's always on my mind. But I got somebody and I'm keeping secrets. I feel this desire that I know will kill him if he asks me to deny. I burn the pictures and I try to erase the moments in the snow. I wish I never held you close, cause coffee shops and winter days remind me of a love I can't retrace. What would happen if I